The chicken Seekh Kebab is one of the fastest and easiest kebabs you can make. Apart from being easy, it is also the most healthy. We begin with a bowl of minced chicken. I'm using roughly 500 grams. To this, we add salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, jeera powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, fresh lime juice, chopped green chili, and chopped coriander leaves. Next, we mix everything up uniformly. Give some time to the mixing. Better the mix, better the taste. The next step is wrapping the chicken around the wooden skewers. Next, we add butter on our hands and start sticking the chicken mix on the skewers. If you are using wooden skewers, it's better to soak them in water for 30 minutes for more flexibility and smoothness. While making the skewers, we preheat our oven at 360 degrees for 20 minutes. Next, we grill the skewers at 180 degrees for 4 minutes. At this point, we bask the skewers with generous amount of butter and grill the other side for 4 minutes more. And our chicken Seekh Kebab is ready. Bask once more with more butter before serving. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.